So the first assignment, and the purpose of the first assignment was to write a summary from the article which we were given. And that assignment had the strong sides as well as the things to improve. So the first criteria, I would say, is the number of words. And the first draft, as you can see, there were 684 words. Now, the feedback which I got from other students and from Professor Gordon, I was advised to look again, to look at the more important information, more detailed, more specific information, and maybe to reduce the number of words, which I finally did in my final draft. I reduced it to 325 words. The second criteria was summarizing. My first draft had more unnecessary information, too detailed, too specific information, and some opinion as well. So, because of the feedback from Professor Gordon, I excluded this unnecessary information, I excluded the opinion, and now it became a pure summary. The next criteria was practicing APA citations, the seventh edition, and it was the first time when I was actually practicing the citation type, and I had few mistakes, incorrect in-text citations, wrong wrong order in the reference list, and this is again from Professor Gordon. I was able to, based on that feedback, correct and make it a better version of a reference list. Few grammar mistakes, wrong tenses, which I also fixed and made it right grammar tenses, the clarity of meaning and cohesion, and the formatting guidelines. Now, these are the criteria which I was looking at, and because of the feedback from the professor and from the other students, my final draft became better. So here you can see my first draft, and you can see comments from Professor Gordon. Now I'm not going to go through all of the comments, but as I demonstrated in the presentation, those are 5 main criteria which I was able to improve successfully. And all of these corrections, they are reflected in my final draft. So here you can see my final draft, which has a smaller number of words, which has no opinion, which has a better grammar tenses, more correct grammar, and which has a correct reference list.